Carburation types. We have a rich mixture and a lean mixture. So under a rich mixture, this is when the fuel ratio is lower than 14.7 to 1, which is the average fuel ratio of a good functioning engine. So a rich fuel mixture is when the fuel ratio is lower than the 14.7 to 1 fuel ratio. For example, it may be 10 to 1 or 12 to 1 instead of the 14.7 to 1. Causes of rich mixture. There might be the choke that is stuck or closed, a dirty or clogged air filter, oversized main jet, float level too high, or a leaking needle valve, and in some cases an incorrect carburetor adjustment, or even weak ignition, which may result to fuel not burning fully. Symptoms of rich mixture. There might be black smoke visible from the exhaust, a strong petrol smell, poor fuel economy, engine misfiring, rough idling. The spark plugs may become wet, black, and full of soot, and in some instances the engine may stall when hot. The effects of a rich mixture on the engine. Carbon buildup on valves and pistons. There might be fouled spark plugs, reduced engine power, engine oil contamination, damage to catalytic converter, which is mostly found in modern cars. How to fix the rich fuel mixture. You can clean or replace the air filters. Secondly, you can adjust the air fuel mixture screw. Third, you could check the float height in the carburetor. Fourth, you could inspect needle valves. Also, you could ensure that the choke opens fully, and to a great extent, you may clean the carburetor jets to fix the rich fuel mixture problem. Second type of carburation is a lean mixture. This is where insufficient fuel is supplied compared to air, causing slow or incomplete combustion, whereby the air-fuel ratio should be at the 14.7 to 1. We find that the lean mixture is above the 14.7 to 1. For instance, it may be 16 to 1 or 18 to 1 or even more. Causes of lean mixtures. Blocked or partially clogged fuel jet, low fuel level in float chamber, vacuum leaks, air leak after the carburetor, weak fuel pumps, incorrect carburetor adjustment, and dirty fuel filters could cause the lean mix. Symptoms of the lean mixture of fuel. Engine may overheat, hesitation on acceleration, backfiring or popping sound, loss of power, hard starts, engine may stall at idle, and there may be signs of white or light-colored spark plugs. The effect of a lean mix on an engine could be high combustion temperatures, engine knocking or pinging, burnt valves, piston damage, poor engine performance. How to correct the lean mixture of fuel? You could clean the carburetor jets, check fuel supply systems, repair vacuum leaks. You could adjust the air-fuel mixture screws, set correct float level, ensure proper fuel flow.